Today, we are counting down 8 grocery items that are quietly draining your budget or harming your health, 5 you should stop buying right now, and 3 essential items you should never skip. From overpriced convenience foods to hidden sugar bombs and pantry staples that deliver unbeatable value, this list exposes the real winners and losers in your weekly shop. Which everyday item wastes the most money? Let us kick things off with number 8. Pre-cut fruits and vegetables look like a shortcut, but the price tells a different story. Sliced apples, bagged broccoli florets, and those neat watermelon cubes often cost 2 to 5 times more per pound than their whole counterparts. That convenience does not just hit your wallet, it comes with a shorter shelf life. Once produce is cut, vitamin C and other nutrients begin to disappear faster, and spoilage speeds up. In 2019, a salmonella outbreak linked to pre-cut melon products sent 137 people to the hospital. For the same money, a whole fruit lasts longer, keeps more nutrients, and avoids the hidden risk. A sharp knife at home is the smarter investment. Name brand spices and seasoning blends are a quiet drain on any grocery budget. A 2-ounce jar from a big label can cost up to 6 times the price per ounce of the same spice in a bulk bin or at an ethnic market. Flip the jar and you will find more than herbs. Many blends are padded with salt, sugar, and anti-caking agents like silicon dioxide and tricalcium phosphate. Those fillers stretch the product, but they leave you paying for less actual spice. In 2021, Consumer Reports flagged about 1/3 of tested spices, including turmeric and paprika, for heavy metals such as lead and cadmium. The risk showed up in both national brands and store brands. The smarter move is to buy single ingredient spices in bulk, skip the blends, and mix your own at home. Always check the unit price and the ingredient list. Your wallet and your food will thank you. Bottled salad dressings promise convenience, but a quick scan of the label tells another story. Most mainstream brands list soybean or canola oil as the first ingredient, chosen for price and shelf life, not nutrition. Flip to the nutrition facts and you will find 3 to 7 grams of added sugar in a standard 2 tablespoon serving, turning a healthy salad into a stealth dessert. The cost does not help. At about 50 cents per serving, you are paying 4 times what a simple homemade vinaigrette would cost. Grab a jar, pour in 3 parts olive oil to 1 part vinegar or lemon, add a pinch of salt and a dash of dried herbs, and shake for 10 seconds. That is it. Cleaner ingredients, lower sugar, and a fraction of the price. Next time, skip the aisle and make your own. Your salad and your wallet will thank you. Breakfast aisles are packed with boxes promising energy and whole grains, but the reality is more like dessert in disguise. Many popular cereals aimed at kids and health-conscious shoppers pack 9 to 12 grams of sugar in a single serving, sometimes over 40% sugar by weight. Flip the box and the protein and fiber numbers barely budge, often just 1 to 3 grams each. Compare that to plain rolled oats, which deliver 5 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber with almost no added sugar. Cartoon mascots and bold health claims can't cover up the numbers. For a real breakfast upgrade, skip the sugar rush and reach for oats instead. Single-serve snacks and drinks are the fastest way to drain both your wallet and the planet's resources. A single bag of chips or a grab-and-go drink can cost about 2.5 times more per ounce than the same item in a family-sized pack or a multi-bottle case. Multiply that by a week's worth of lunches, and it adds up fast. The price tag is only half the story. According to Environmental Protection Agency data, packaging and containers make up around 1/4 to 1/3 of all household trash by weight. That is the biggest chunk in the waste stream. Every mini yogurt cup, chip bag, and bottled water means more plastic and wrappers headed straight to the landfill. The smarter move? Buy in bulk, portion snacks into reusable containers, and swap single-serve drinks for a refillable bottle. It is a simple change that saves money, cuts waste, and makes every grocery trip count. Whole eggs are a rare grocery win, nutrient-dense, and still among the cheapest animal proteins you can buy. A single large egg delivers about 6 to 7 grams of complete protein and 147 milligrams of choline, all for roughly 25 cents at $3 a dozen. That means 2 eggs at breakfast can provide 12 to 14 grams of protein for less than the price of a cup of coffee. Eggs also bring vitamins A and D, vitamin B12, and healthy fats to the table, making them a powerhouse for meals any time of day: scrambled, boiled, baked, or fried. Eggs stretch across cuisines and recipes. For budget shoppers, keeping a carton on hand means you are never far from a filling, affordable meal. If you want to get even more mileage, try buying in bulk or splitting a case with friends. Frozen vegetables have a reputation for being second best, but the science says otherwise. Flash freezing locks in nutrients at peak ripeness, and studies in the Journal of the Science of Food and Agriculture show that frozen broccoli or spinach can have equal or higher vitamin content than fresh produce that has been sitting in a fridge for days. When fresh green beans are out of season, a bag from the freezer aisle can cost 20 to 50% less per cup. No chopping, no rush to use it before it wilts. Just pour out what you need and put the rest back for next time. That means less food waste and more money left in your grocery budget. For a quick upgrade, steam or sauté frozen veggies straight from the bag and finish with a sprinkle of salt or lemon. Frozen is not a compromise, it is a smart shortcut that keeps nutrition and savings on your side. Dry staples like rice, beans, and oats are the backbone of any smart grocery list. 1 pound of dry beans costing just $1 or $2 turns into 6 or 7 cups cooked, often less than 25 cents per serving. Oats and rice deliver hundreds of calories and steady energy for pennies. Stored in a cool, dry place, these pantry basics last for months and adapt to any cuisine. With unbeatable value, nutrition, and shelf life, they are the first thing to restock every time. Across all 8 items, one pattern stands out. Real value hides in simplicity. The grocery aisle rewards basics, not brands. In today's economy, knowing the difference matters more than ever. Skip the overpriced and avoid the gimmicks. Build your cart around whole eggs, frozen vegetables, and dry staples like rice, beans, and oats. Small changes add up to big savings, better nutrition, and less waste. Shop smart, and your wallet will thank you.